Okay, here we go again. Another cool toys from Ronald Martin. Shout out to you for these cool free toys. So yeah, I just ordered from him, and then he just, include this as a free gift. So really cool. Nice guy, man. Thank you. So, but I think you already hooked me up on this Kamen Riders toys. So here you go. So it's another MaskedRider decade toys. For many Filipino, they really love the old school MaskedRiders. But this one is totally cool. Another great addition to your Kamen Riders collection. So here you go. Nice. So you got tons here that you can collect. Nice, cool stuff. Here we go. Let's unbox.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Okay. Oh, there you go. Okay. So I guess we have some manual here. That's correct. Here you go. Staple tape. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Very cool. Ganda niya. Super siya. Super stick, mga bossing. Okay, so you go the manual. So, of course, all Japanese. So you got some weapons here. And some stand like a... Oh, if you're doing like a surfboard. Okay. Let's see. Okay, we got some card here. Final attack ride. So I think you can use it some card play, right? So it's like a stand here and like a surfboard kind of stand, because you can, I think you can ride on this thing. Okay, and of course some weapons here. This one's like a katana in a cool way. Not too sure about the characters or the, this tokusatsu TV show. So there you go. Nice. And okay, so like another gun here. Another one, same. And the main figure, action figure. So I think it's kind of like a PVC. So it's not really like a hard plastic. So I think it's really cool. Let's see the articulation. So yeah, you can twist it, you can bend it. Okay, you can grip. Then pretty tight, I can say. The articulation, there you go. Yes, pretty tight. You can twist that, legs. Okay, some movement on the feet, the head. Nice. Overall, it's really cool. So, okay, let's try to put this. Yeah. Okay, see, it's like a surfboard. Or maybe a skateboard. Some... So, I think we need to look on this toy, or whatever is that. Like a big weapon, so it's not included in this box. So let's see how we can get those. Okay, so for the cards, you can see you can put it in the like a morphine gadget and an arcade games there. This is totally cool. Nice. So this one, okay. For the sword, you can do that. Nice. So I think maybe the gun is become like a sword, right? It's the way it looks like, right? So you can, from a gun to a sword, you can change that. Sorry guys, I'm not too familiar on this character, but I'm sure I can watch it in 2B TV, so maybe learn more about it. So there you go, my bossing. It's totally cool. I recommend you guys, if you still have chance to get this, grab it now, my bossing. This one was released 2009, so I'm sure it's kind of hard to find now, but it's worth it to get or put it in your collection. So that's it, my bossing. If you're not a subscriber yet, please smash that subscribe buttons now at hit na rin yung bell notification icon. And of course, if you like this video, right? So, why not give a thumbs up? And share nyo na rin sa mga friends nyo. Para tayo dumaming mga Kamen Rider collectors or Sentai collectors. So, there you go, my bossing. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next episode. Peace out.